cook up smoked pork butt on the Weber today. Do it with the snake method. I'll walk you along, take you through it. I've never done this before, so we can fuck it up together. If it turns out, feel free to try it. If it doesn't, don't. Anyways, I'll grab you, take you over, see how we got this set up, and we'll go from there. Alright, so this is the setup that we're going to roll with today. You can see here we got a nice little snake of charcoal briquettes going around the outside of the Weber. Got a couple chunks of wood on there. Should add some nice smoke. I'll fire up a couple briquettes here, throw it on the end of the snake, and that should catch, and then we'll be off. Alright, so threw about 10 lit briquettes at the end of the snake there, and that should catch, and it should slow burn all the way around. Alright, we got like a 4-pound pork butt here. First step, going to be the same thing as those short ribs yesterday. Get this thing open, get it dry, and we'll go from there. Oh, fuck. Sanitize everything. Okay, so the goal here is just to remove some excess fat from this thing. It's a pretty fatty cut. A lot of people just keep this on, but I'm going to take it off. You can see on this side piece here that it's not really taking out any meat, so we'll just take it off. Okay, then you're going to come in with your rub here. I got this guy at Butcher Boy Meats on Park Street, and just coat this guy nice and liberally. It's called a rub, but we're going to pat this in, and the goal here is just to get everything covered nice and even. Go pretty heavy with it. It looks like a lot, but to be honest, I probably could have gone with a little bit more, but I just wanted to be safe. But yeah, this is good. Pat that in and just get her nice and covered, and then we'll take it to the grill. Alright, threw this guy on kind of at the opposite end of the snake there. And we throw the lid on. We'll put the holes over the meat, and then that way the smoke should kind of roll over the meat as it exhausts there. Looking for a cook temp of like 250 to 275. So we'll see if we can hit that and check back in a couple hours. Okay, this is looking great. Going to pull it here at about 162 and wrap it in foil, and then throw her back on and finish it off. Pull it at about 200. Okay, so total transparency, I put this thing on at like 1:30, took it off at like 9:30, so it'll cook for like 8 hours, and then let it rest for about 30 minutes, so that means I'm eating supper at 10 p.m. So time management, definitely a bit of an issue, but definitely turned out great. You can see it's pull apart tender, kind of all over the place. Tastes great, nice and smoky, looks awesome. Very happy with how this turned out, and we'll definitely start it at like 9 a.m. next time. Thanks.